Hello. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the project that you might have noticed is due tomorrow. So, on your calendar or in the weekly agenda that I sent out, you might notice that you have this Project 1 Part 1. So, I wanted to go over what that is, what it looks like, and also how you complete it. So, when you are in your course, if you scroll down here, right after checkpoint 3, you will see this link that says Project Google Doc, and you want to open that. Your project for this course is broken into 3 parts, okay? You are only completing part 1 right now, and the reason why I made this Google Doc that you can also view by using the link, right? So if I open this, is because the course doesn't give you a spot to turn it in. So I wanted to give you an option for you to use where you have all 3 parts in one place and you know where to find it. You might notice that when you try typing on this, it won't let you. And in order to type on this project, you first need to make a copy. And to do that, you want to go up here to where it says File. And then once you've clicked File, you want to go 4 options down where it says Make a Copy. When I click Make a Copy, it says, do I want to make a copy of this? And then you can click here and you can adjust which folder you have it saved in, and then you will click OK. Once you have made your copy, you will see the same exact thing pop up, and you will now be able to type your answers. I am going to go through this first portion of the project with you to kind of show you what type of answers I am looking for. The first part of the project. So Malia and her friends are helping with a fundraiser to support a local animal shelter. Their goal is to raise $200, and they plan on selling silicone wristbands and donating all that they earn to the shelter. We want to answer the following questions using complete sentences. I'm not a huge stickler on that. Try your best. As long as your math is correct, that is what I am looking for most. So it also tells you to number your responses. I have already done that for you. Number 1 says that Malia thinks she and her friends should sell wristbands for $2.50 each. On her first day, she sells 4 wristbands. 1A is asking us, how can the amount Malia earns be represented as an addition sentence? Okay, so here I'm looking for some type of expression. I know that she is selling wristbands for $2.50 each, and she's selling a total of 4 wristbands. So to figure out how much she earns, using addition, remember, I want to, if I do 250 plus 250, well, that's her selling 2 wristbands, right? Let's do a third one, and then a very last one. So here I have 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250. This is our addition sentence that represents how much she earned because I am adding together all those wristbands that she has sold. B is asking what is the sum. So remember, sum is another word for addition when we add up all of our numbers. And what does that mean in this situation? If I were to add 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250, I would get a total of $10. And this $10 represents the amount of money Malia has earned so far. The very next part wants us to show this sum on a number line. I gave you a little template here that you can use. Try your best with the template. It doesn't need to be 100% perfect. Okay. Think about where she started and where she ended with the amount of money that she's earned so far, right? When she was starting this fundraiser, she hadn't earned any money yet. So where it says type your numbers for the number line here, I'm going to get rid of that and I'm going to type in a 0. Okay, because when she starts, she does not have any money yet. And then I'm going to try my best to space this out to 10, and the reason why I'm going to 10 is because 10 is the amount of money that she has raised so far. So if 0 is at this little tick mark here, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I want to get to this one, so I'm going to tab and space over as best I can. Put a 10. Don't forget our arrow. I gave you 2 arrows here that you can move. So let's have this one here, and then I'm going to extend it as best I can to get over that 10. So that is what I am looking for these type of answers. So that is how I did that number line. You do not have to do it the same way I did. If you have a different way of doing it, you are free to. As long as you're using the right numbers and your arrow is going in the right direction, you will get full credit. For part 1, you have to answer number 2 and number 3, and that is it. If you keep scrolling down, notice how it says Project 1 Part 2. We're not doing this yet. You only have to complete Part 1 for now. Okay. And once you're done with this, it automatically saves it for you, so you are all done. If you have other questions or are confused on maybe one of the other questions, please feel free to email me, message me, send me a text message, whatever is easiest for you, and I'd be more than happy to help. Hopefully you found this helpful, and like I said before, let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful rest of your day.